Hello guys, and welcome to today's project of making Gianduia Fondente. The list of ingredients is in the description. Just imagine Nutella, but 100 times better and with dark chocolate. Gianduia has to be with 30% or more of hazelnuts, whereas Nutella only has 11% of hazelnuts. So this already is far more superior in nut character. Let's begin. You will need some hazelnuts. I managed to get some hazelnuts in their shells. We will process this from this stage. For those of you who haven't seen hazelnuts with their shells, here you go. We need to remove the outer shell first. Take a pestle and mortar and crack open the hazelnuts. You will end up with something that looks like this. This is just the first step. I cracked 400 grams worth of nuts to only get about 160 grams of actual usable hazelnuts. Now take a sieve and toss the hazelnuts in and start shaking and massaging the nuts. You will notice a lot of unwanted debris and shell pieces fall out. After that, take a baking tray with baking paper. We are going to roast the hazelnuts. I have a couple of open hazelnuts to help me in the color preference when roasting. Roast it in the oven, set at about 160 degrees for about 15 minutes. Make sure you mix it around while roasting so that it can color evenly. Take out a piece to check on the color. That should be about right. Now take a large kitchen towel. They are ready when you notice the skins crack. Pour the hazelnuts in and start rubbing them around. Remove as much as you can because the skin has a bit of a bitter aftertaste. Keep rubbing them around until you are able to remove most of the skin. I decided to roast them again for a little more time to get a really good color. After you are happy with the color of your nuts, take them out, take out your food processor. We are going to break the hazelnuts down while they are still warm. Throw in a pinch of sea salt as well. Measure out 160 grams of caster sugar. At this point, you can throw in 160 grams of caster sugar as well. Keep processing with the blade. It will slowly start to turn into a paste. Next, we are going to measure out the chocolate. Here, I will be using chocolate from a Belgian company called Calibau. The percentage of chocolate I'm going to use is 70%. This is really what makes the Gianduia extra rich and give it that intense cocoa flavor. Measure out 160 grams of chocolate as well. At this point, everything is of equal measurement. Pour in the chocolate. Since the hazelnuts are still warm, this will help in melting the chocolate as we blend it. Now you can either stop here for the texture or you can keep on going. I decided to use my blender as well to make it even smoother. Blend on high for a couple of minutes. Just check that out. That looks mighty smooth already. Such a nice consistency when I can draw a line. And knowing me, just to make sure everything is really smooth, you can always fine strain the mixture. All you have to do now is just pour it into a jar and keep at room temperature for up to 2 weeks. It will stay spreadable like this. If you keep it in the fridge, it will harden up and it will be a little bit difficult for you to spread it if you're going to have it on your bread, toast, pancakes, or waffles. You can have it however you want. I won't judge you. Here is a little something that I did. I took some of this fantastic base mixture and mixed it with some whipped cream and vanilla. I was able to make a mousse similar to the inside of a Kinder Bueno or Ferrero Rocher. Dust it with some cocoa powder, and it's happy days. Well, there you have it, Gianduia Fondente. Thank you for watching. As usual, it was a pleasure having you with us on this journey today. If you enjoyed what you watched, please leave a like, comment down below, and subscribe to be notified of upcoming videos, and we shall see you in the next one. Bye for now.